All right, folks, welcome to Drive-Thru Confessionals. We're looking at chapters 1 through 3 extra credit, problem number 5 here. It says, given that AB is congruent to BC, is congruent to CD, find Y in terms of X. Find Y in terms of X. Well, they're kind of testing here to see if you know the if sides, then angles theorem. So that's what we got. That's kind of the key to understanding this problem. And then from here, it's just a bunch of algebra, which you guys are really good at. You just don't like to always use your skills. So we know that both of those are x. And we want to find this angle right here and this angle right here in terms of y. So think about it. If y was 10, then these two would have to add up to be 170, and we'd do 170 divided by 2, and we'd get, I don't know, what, 85. If y was 20, these would have to add up to be 160, and they'd each be 80. We don't know what y is, so we knew we got to take 180 degrees, subtract out y, and divide it by 2. And that's going to be the measure of that angle and that angle in terms of y. We also know that this angle right here has to be 180 minus 2x. Think about that for a second. If x was 20, we'd have 20, and 20 is 40. 180 minus 40 is 140. So you can just think that that's how we would find that angle if we knew it. We don't know it, so we write it in terms of x. And now we can say that 180 minus y divided by 2, this angle right here, plus 180 minus 2x equals 180. I said this angle plus this angle equals 180 because they add up to be a straight line. And we can assume that, okay? Oh, what will I do? What will I do? I'm not a big fractions fan, so I'm going to double everything because that's how I got to make it work. So that'll cancel, leaving me with 180 minus y. And then I got to distribute all this. So plus 360 minus 4x equals 360. I can get rid of those by subtracting 360 from each side. We want y in terms of x, so I'm just going to add a y to both sides. I'll rewrite this up here. And that leaves me with y equals, let's see, this y is now gone. Our 360s are gone. 180 minus 4x. Boom!